Woo! Horsey! Other horsey. Horse crap. Okay! I'm almost done. Woo! This is the horse that likes to get dirty. All down and dirty all the time. And this is my #1 horse. My favorite horse. Bye, Rita. That's Harley sticking its butt in my face. And yeah. The black one that likes to get dirty is Zorro. And this is Harley.